Helga from West Pennsylvania Cooking, and today I'm going to bring you another PA Dutch staple, and that is pepper cabbage. Pickled cabbage, pepper cabbage. We tend to use the term interchangeably here, but the premise is the same for either or, and it's one of those things that's kind of iconic to this area, and I love it. It's something I like to make now and then, and it's probably a healthier version than even like coleslaw is because it doesn't have any mayo. So it's so simple to put together, and it keeps a long time, and you want to let it sit a little bit so that you can get the vinegar and the sugar to come together and really give it that nice pickling. If possible, I like to let it sit overnight before taking it someplace, and I like it chilled. So I'm going to show you how to make PA Dutch pickled cabbage, or pepper slaw as we call it. So, as you know, I always include the recipe down below in the description. I have about half a head of cabbage here, and this is already shredded up, and carrot, half of a diced red pepper, and that went in before I remembered I was videoing this, or I would have had it out here. I'm going to do a quarter cup really of finely diced onion, and dash of pepper, and some of my own ground mustard, and some turmeric, and some celery seed, and 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and a cup of sugar. And we're gonna give that a good mix, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And we'll just get this mixed up. And this makes a really pretty salad, as you can see. And if you need it a little bit sweeter, you can always add a little bit more sugar. If you like it a little bit more vinegary or tartar, you can add a little bit more vinegar. It's up to you on how you want it to do it to your taste. Okay guys, you know what time it is. Taste test time. And I suckered my mom in here. She's down here for some stuff, so she knows what it's supposed to taste like, so she's gonna give it a taste for you, and then I'm gonna give it a taste. Darn it, get some.
I am, I want to get more. Nice and zippy. And the longer it sets, the more zippy it will get. I like mine good and peppery, and this is excellent. A good sweet sour German type contrast.
Well, and that's got my home ground mustard in it too. That's
delicious.
Good. And like I said, leave it sit overnight, let the flavors go through it, and the next day serve it chilled. It is the bomb.
It's pretty and it's highly nutritious.
Highly nutritious. I'm always worried about that too.
Well, I am.
Okay.
Very good.
Moorish. It's Moorish. So, anyway, pickled cabbage, pepper cabbage, PA Dutch recipe. You can adjust it up or down as you want. I'll give you the recipe down in the description below like I always do. But try this summer. It's a winner of a salad.
I think so.
Enjoy. I mean, next time you're in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.